Hi friends, this video shows how to download apps. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to apps. In some TV model we have to go to device preferences. There we would be able to find apps section. Let me select apps here. Then go to see all apps. Then here we can see installed apps. From this list let me select Google Play Store. We can select Google Play Store from here, or in some TV model we have to go to system apps, select show system apps, then from system apps we can select Google Play Store. Let me select Google Play Store from here, then select open. See, now I have opened Google Play Store app. Here on top you can see two tabs, apps. Under apps tabs we can see apps. From here we can select apps which we want, then we can install. If we go down we can see apps categories. We can go select entertainment category. From here we can select one app, then we can download and install. Let me go back. Similarly if we go up, there we can see games tab. From here we can download games. If we have search option, we can search for the app. So let me search for one app. We can search app, then we can select, you can see install button. From here we can download and install. So this way we can download apps. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.